Hey everybody, I have the Mac Mini M4 and I wanted to get a dock for it so I can have more things going on. So I'll show you what we have here. And what we have, this is fairly light, but it's nice. It has the, this is the dock here, and it's got a place for a little SD card in there. So if you have one of the cards, the expansion cards, which I thankfully do, you can do that. Oh, it magnetizes on. How cool is that? The bottom magnetized on. Okay, and so then it's got a place for your button as well. It's got a little button thing, because you know, these buttons, they put them right there underneath. So we would line this up with the button right as such. Let's see. So it's going to be docked on there as like this, like that, and then as I push the button, it'll turn it on. So there we go. So this is the back. So this is where I will, when my computer plugs in, I'm going to plug this into one of these ports here. That is the fast, whatever it's called, lightning, whatever, or what? No, Thunderbolt port. And then we have an HDMI here. We have an HDMI here if we want to have a second monitor. So here's, it'll do a 4K monitor. We have an output of headphones on there. We have two USB ports on this side here. So if you look at our original one, we have 0 USB ports. So we have 2 on the back, and then we have 2 on the front as well. So we're going to be given 2 extra USB ports. We have SD card slots for the micro SD, and this one here says TF and SD. I'm not sure what TF is. I don't know if that's, but it fits the big SD cards and the little ones. We still have our original USB-C port. So it takes up one of the USB-C ports to bring this dock down here to give you all this stuff here with extra memory and everything else. Comes with a little screwdriver here and some screws to screw in your memory when you put it into the bottom. I don't have my memory stick here, but that's what it is. And it only makes the computer like maybe what, less than an inch taller, or maybe an inch at the most taller. So it'll still be in the same place. And then you have the ability to push this to get your power button, so you don't have to worry about trying to pick it up and get to the power button. It just lines right on up with it. So how cool is that? So if you need a dock for your Mac Mini M4, this is a good one. I'm gonna go and plug it in here onto my computer. I just don't have it currently there because I have all my monitors there and it's got all the stuff showing. I would just have to have it off anyway. But you get the idea. It's really cool. And I've used these docks in the past, and this one here seems like a really good solid one, and it totally matches on the color. I don't know, like some of the other ones I had, they were different colors. It was weird. This one here just looks like part of the computer, and I like the way it has that space in there for the airflow. This is really well thought out. They really did a good job on this one. So thumbs up for sure. Very nice.